guys, back again at Marshbrook level crossing in Shropshire as well. Now the time is 10:56 and we're waiting for our 10:59 service. It will be a train well service to, don't know where it's going, can't remember where it's going to, but yeah. Also, it seems to have done a bit of work with the barriers. Now this barrier goes down a lot slower than it used to. There's that traffic light still that I showed you last time. The rarest set of lights in the UK, that is. But it is coming from that way. That I know that. So I'm a bit shaky today. It's a bit cold out here, but yeah. Here she is. We've got 175 112. 175 112 to Cardiff Central.